How long have you been a comedian?
How long have I been a comedian? What is it? Sorry, you're not from HMRC, are you? I've got to be super fucking careful here. You're going to start dragging up cash in hand gigs. Look, you ain't seen me, right? For anyone else, you ain't fucking seen me. I think like 25 years?
I just wondered if this was the first go.
You just wondered if this was the first go? Oh. This motherfucker thinks I don't have jokes about cripples. I don't even fucking like vegetables. Hang on, where's